In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain name with Cloudways web hosting using Godaddy. We'll do this step by step so you'll have everything set up in no time. Now let's get started. To begin, we need to head over to Cloudways, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Cloudways managed cloud hosting platform. If you haven't already signed up, you might want to do that first, but for now let's assume you have an account. Once you're on the home page, you should see a button for logging in. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've successfully logged into your Cloudways account, you'll be brought to the Cloudways dashboard. This is the control center for all your hosting needs. From here, find the section that says My Servers and click on it. This will bring you to the list of your existing servers. If you haven't yet set up a server, make sure to do that beforehand, as you'll need one to carry out the remaining steps. With the My Servers section now open, you'll see a list of servers you have on Cloudways. Click on your server, the one you want to associate with your domain name. After selecting the server, you will notice an option that says Public IP. This is crucial as you'll need this IP address in the next few steps. Click on Public IP to reveal the address and then hit the copy button to save it for later. Now it's time to move over to Godaddy where your domain is registered. Log into your Godaddy account, navigate to My Products and then find your domain name. Click on DNS to access your DNS settings. Here we'll be adding a new record, which is where your copied public IP from Cloudways comes into play. Scroll down to find the section for adding DNS records. You'll be creating a new A record here. In the host field, enter @ symbol, which signifies that this record applies to your root domain. Then paste the copied public IP from Cloudways into the points to field. Set the TTL to a recommended default like 600 seconds, which works for most configurations, and save the changes. That's it. You've now linked your domain with Cloudways using Godaddy. Remember, DNS changes might take a little while to propagate fully, so don't worry if you don't see immediate changes. Within the next few hours, you should see your domain pointing to your Cloudways server smoothly. If any issues arise, always check Cloudways and Godaddy documentation or their support for troubleshooting tips. Thank you for following along and happy hosting.